Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will first install the font into your operating system so Android Studio can list it. This matters because the IDE uses system fonts. Once done, open File Settings or Preferences on Mac OS and navigate directly to Editor then Font. You're starting immediately with the Editor font panel. Don't waste time on themes. Make sure Android Studio has been restarted after font installation so the new family appears in the font dropdown. Now select the installed font family from the dropdown and change the size and line spacing to match your preference. This affects readability and vertical rhythm while coding. Enable ligatures if you prefer combined symbols. This changes how sequences like equals or equals 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 render. Use the preview pane to confirm appearance and then click Apply. This writes the setting to your current scheme. Once satisfied, save or export the scheme so you can reuse. Finish by clicking OK and restarting Android Studio so all editor windows and tool windows pick up the change consistently. Some UI elements only refresh on restart. Export your editor scheme if you want the same font on other machines or store it in Settings repository. If the font does not appear, make sure it's properly installed in the OS. Then use File Invalidate Caches /restart. This forces Android Studio to rescan available fonts and resolves most visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.